Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about an interesting little tool here. It's an adapter for a grinder. And Josh, first things first, I'm seeing we've got this big hunk of metal here. What's that all about?
Yeah, this is the actual adapter for the tool.
Okay.
And a gentleman a while back told me about this. Mm-hmm. And it was real. The next day I went and picked one up, and I've had one ever since. I'm obviously certified in tile. And installing tile, even if you're doing your own stuff, anything for the price of this thing, it can save you in a lot of jams.
So that is the
flush cutting.
Flush cut adapter.
Yeah,
okay.
Flush cutting adapter. You can buy the blades, and the blades come pre-drilled. So you can buy from non-aggressive to aggressive with the diamond blades. So what that does is, let's say you get into an instance where you need to pop a tile, you can plunge cut this in here underneath the tile and between the floor.
So in the grinder, it's flat on the ground.
Yep, yeah, exactly. So you can cut, because there's no nut on the bottom of it on the Acme thread. So I'll show you real quick here. You can disassemble. So these screws go in here, and they're tapered to flush out.
So those screws are actually what's holding the disc on.
Yes, yep, exactly.
Because on a regular grinder, you actually thread the disc on.
Exactly. Yeah, so you have the big nut, and then the Acme thread, and the nut that sticks down on the bottom of it. So the other thing is, like, I've pulled up tiles before, and you have a heated floor, and you don't want
to cut into that.
No. So you can take this with a vacuum next to it and go nice and flush to get back down to the level to pop in a new tile. Because let's just say one of the kids dropped something and broke one, or you dropped a piece of furniture.
Which I would never do.
Or like when Jill has those 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch heels on there, it might pop a tile on there.
Right.
So so this comes off, so that blade would obviously stay on, and then you just take this and thread it on.
Okay.
Literally take the wrench, snug it tight, that's it. But the disc would obviously be on here.
Yeah.
So you would see that flush cut on there, so you can put it flush with everything.
Very cool.
So, yeah.
So this is the Diteq flush cut adapter. You can get it online at benfortool.com. The adapter's going to run you $20, and the blades range from $30 to $50 depending on what you're doing. Obviously, these are diamond blades. They're super high quality. They last
for a long time.
For a long time. Very cool. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.